Hi everyone, today we are making DIY balloon bunch. For this you need 4 balloons, a wire and a straw. So you simply begin by blowing all the balloons. You can make them different sizes or keep them all the same. To give them a more round shape, you can push them slightly down towards yourself or onto any hard surface and tie them, pulling the end right to the end and giving it a tight tie. If you're new here, hello, why not subscribe to Hyperstar Tutorials for more fun and easy balloon tutorials. After blowing and tying the confetti balloon, rub it on your hand or on any cloth to make the confetti static. That will make the confetti stand out and the balloon look more colourful. Now you'll get the 2 balloons and make a duplicate, which is tying 2 balloons together. Tie it nice and securely. And get the other 2 balloons and make another duplicate. Tie these nicely and tightly to make them secure. Now you'll get both of the sets and make a quad. That's simply by getting 2 duplicates and twisting them together. After this you get the metal wire and you simply tie the balloons like this around the wire. Go around a few times on all the balloons, and what you do is the end of the wire you will push it through the straw. Push it all the way through the straw until it comes out at the bottom. Pull the wire through, make this straw nice and secure by pushing it tightly. Now the remaining wire, simply tie that to the bottom of the straw. Your balloon bunch is ready to go onto the cake. Thank you for watching and see you with my next video.